Hello everyone, how to set up an alarm clock on Galaxy A06 5G. First of all, open the clock app and click on alarm, and if you want to add alarm then simply click on plus icon, and from here you can select any time which you want to choose, and from here you can select day for alarm which you want to select, and from here you can enter alarm name. After then click on save. Now you can see that alarm has been enabled. By applying this method you can easily set up an alarm clock on Galaxy A06 5G. Thanks for watching.